Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can add Facebook profile picture on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is simply open the Facebook application, make sure that you are logged into your account, and then you can simply tap on this profile icon right here. And then after doing that, here you can see there is the option of add profile picture. Or if you don't see that, you can tap on the option edit profile. After doing that, here you can get the option of add in here. All you have to do is tap on add and then tap on select profile picture. Or if you want to import your profile picture from your Instagram, you can also tap on import from Instagram. For now, I'm going to select profile picture from my gallery. So after doing that, here you can see this is your camera roll and you can select any photo that you want from your camera roll. If you can't see all of your photos in here, you can tap on this more option right here and see all of your photos. So in here, simply select the photo. Just like this, here you can see I have selected the photo. So if you want to add down any kind of captions in here, you can do that by simply tapping on it. And here you can write down the caption that you want. And in here, you can also see the option of public right here. If you tap on it, you'll get the option of showing your profile picture to public or only your friends. Right now, I don't have any friends, so it's not showing. So when you're satisfied with your profile, you can tap on save. If you are not yet satisfied, you can tap on this edit button right here and you can simply edit your photo from here. You can crop it however you want, and when you're done with it, tap on done. You can also add down any kind of stickers or add down any kind of text. So you can go back, and when you're satisfied with all of the edit, you can tap on next right here. And then here you can also add down your frames to your profile picture. If you tap on this frames option here, you'll get a lot of frames just like this. You can select whatever you want just like this. Here you can see I have selected this frame, and you can also restyle it if you want. And in here, you can also restyle your profile picture if you want with the help of Meta AI. And when you're satisfied with your profile picture, all you have to do is tap on save right here. And here you can see our profile picture has now completely been saved. And here you can see my profile picture is now uploaded. You can go back. And here you can see your profile picture is right here. And just like this, you can add Facebook profile picture on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.